This is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Join me and let's unbox this. Cue the intro. What's happening, beautiful people? Jim here. And this is the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. This actually is my very first smartwatch from Samsung. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this box. But before that, let's check out the box itself. On the side, printing Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. On the other side, empty, except for 47mm/LTE right there. Okay, up top, nothing much. Bottom, nothing much. The back, a lot of things going on, but it's just saying LTE, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, some other small things there. Okie dokie. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Pew. Okay, I guess I gotta do it slowly. Yeah, yes, there we go. All right, let's check this out in 3, 2, 1, open. Ta-da! Did I open it incorrectly? Nope, I did not. So first, we have this one. I'm pretty sure this is where all the documentations are. And 3, 2, 1, there we go. There's the watch. It feels like leather. I think so. Nice. Okay, of course, what do we have inside here? See, USB-C. Oh no, this is the actual charger if I'm not mistaken. Yep, so there you go. That's the charger right there. Okay, so this is where you put in the, and then it's a USB-C. All right, anything else? Documentation. That's pretty much it. Is there anything else? I wanna make sure. Yeah, so just the documentation. Okay, that, nothing else there. Okay, let's remove this for the very first time. Okay, right, so this is the back side. Check out the back side. Check out the front side. All right. No, I don't think this is leather. I think it's rubber of some sort. Yeah. But the cool thing is, it looks like if you just press this button here, you could actually remove this and switch it to a new one. Simple as that. Okay, and you can just easily put it back on again, like so. Okay, so that's that. Now let's try to see if we could turn this on for the very first time. But let's check out on the side here. You've got a couple of buttons. And on the other side, there's nothing. And you have the bezel here, which is actually the one that changes. All right. And on this side here, I don't know if you can see it, but those are the minutes. I don't know if you guys can check it out, but on the side there, right, minutes. Okay, which one is the on button? Let's try the top one first. Yes, there we go. Okay. It's working! Right on. Okay, it just says Samsung. Nothing has changed yet so far. Okay, so there you go, ladies and gentlemen. First, you have the actual watch, the Samsung Galaxy 6 Classic, and the charging port, and some documentations. That's pretty much it. That's it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, looks like it's turning on, and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic XZMN, I don't know what that means. Oh, very nice. So there's the language. Let's see if I could turn this around. Oh yeah, it's very receptive. And I could feel like a little vibration going on. See? And it looks like this is an LTE, probably, maybe. I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, I think that's pretty much it for this video. So what I'm gonna do in the next few weeks, I'm gonna try this out. I'm really going to experience what this watch can do and give. And once I've completed that, I will create another video, a review video, where I'll share my thoughts about the Samsung Watch 6 Classic. Alright, beautiful people, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. If you love it, please give it a thumbs up, smash that like button. If you haven't, please consider subscribing. And as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye!